Joy comes and goes like breeze, but miseries stick in you like thorns until you realize it's all you're making. One must always wonder why, though in comparison to one's moments of misery, moments of joy may hugely outnumber them, but still the moments of misery in your life seem to have a more ruling dispensation over you. This is simply because the moment you say you don't want something in your mind, well, that's what your mind starts doing. So what is been unpleasant for you, what has been a bad experience for you, somewhere you reject it. In that rejection, it becomes a constant, repetitive force in your life. If you want to experiment, just do this for yourself. In the next 30 seconds, don't think of a monkey. The harder you try, the more you will dwell upon the monkeys. So this is the nature of your mind. If you say, I do not want something, or you resist or reject something, that will dominate your mind. Above all, both pleasant and unpleasant situations, what you experience as misery and joy, both are your making, because all human experience happens within you, and what happens within you is essentially your making. It's your karma. This is what karma means. That means whatever you're experiencing right now is your making. What the world throws at you may not always be your choice, but what you make out of it is 100% your choice. When you exercise that choice, you have taken charge of your karma and you're on the highway to liberation. Namaskar.